Hey everyone, Sunil here from Exterior Clean Melbourne. I just want to show you these fiberglass panels. So we're cleaning them up. Obviously this is a engineering slash factory, and light is really important for them to do what they do inside. So we're going to be cleaning these up for them, and we're going to show you the progress of it obviously as we go. The key thing is that we're going to apply chemical first up, obviously, and then we're going to follow through with a low pressure wash of the roof, and we're just cleaning the gutters for them now so we can make sure the gutters are clear and all the water can flow away from the property, which is really important. So we'll show you that, and I'll give you a quick tour of the top side. The top side, as you can see, it's absolutely filthy. Fiberglass is a really strong product, so it can be cleaned. It does not need to be replaced necessarily, unless you've got holes in it or leaks. Then you might need to think about that. But just remember, every time we clean this, it's going to last for several years afterwards, if not probably more than 10 years. It's an extremely hardy product, which is why they use it a lot for commercial roofing. So even once it's cleaned, it'll last for years and years. And this has probably never been cleaned, to give you an idea. So, alright, so that's the process. We're going to be doing a chemical wash through here, and then a low pressure wash. And we're going to get this ship shape, and the guys downstairs are going to be bathed in light. I've already warned them, and so we'll show you the results at the end. Hope that's helpful. Everyone, have a look at this. I'm going to take you down below as well so you can see it, okay? But this is the fiberglass being cleaned. Look at that compared to that. That is astounding. It's an astounding difference. And wait till I take you downstairs. You'll see the light levels that are coming in through the factory now. This one's been completely cleaned, and that hasn't. That's had chemical on it, and you can see all that brown white. It's all gone browny white. Well, actually more white. That's what we're looking for in terms of the organic mold and mildew being killed. Brilliant. Let's take you down below. I'm going to show you the light levels through here. Have a look at this. There you go, look at that. Look at that for light coming through. Absolutely. These are the panels that have been cleaned. Have a look at that. You can see there in the distance, that's where it's not been cleaned. And have a look at the remaining roof. Look at that. This is all the current light levels. There's going to be so much light coming through this roof, they're not even going to have to use their main electric lights during the day. Alright, so that's the other value add, is you're going to save yourself some money on electricity, especially through the winter. But even through the summer, you're just going to have much more clarity. Brilliant. I'll show you the finished results at the end. Folks, look at this, like new. Absolutely like new. I'll give you some confidence here. Look at this. You see how old this was? We have not. If you look closely here, there is no rupturing of that surface. It's still intact, just as it was, and that's because of the chemical. So we use the chemical. The chemical really lifts off the lichen, and it means that we don't have to then use high pressure, and high pressure will rupture this fiberglass. So you can see that right through here. In this case, we charge a little bit more if the customer wants all the fiberglass actually gathered up, because there is some small fibers that come off. If they want all of that gathered up, you can actually opt for that. You can speak to us about that, and we basically pick it all up and bag it up. You can see all these gutters completely clear right through, and yeah, so hope that's Hope that's helpful to you to see the results that we can achieve right across the board here. And you want to see the guys down below bathing in sunlight. I'll take you down there briefly so I can show you that. But it's just made a huge difference to them. These guys work on truck bodies on gearboxes, and they do that all day long, and they're under the bonnet and under the wheels and under this and that and the other, and it's just made a phenomenal difference. So let me just take you down there. Alright, yeah, that's right. Look at this, folks. This is magic. The amount of sunlight coming through this factory now is phenomenal. And the guys can work, they can see what they're up to, and they don't have to use the lights. Look, all the lights have been turned off. That's what they're saving on electricity, and not contributing to the landfill by getting new sheets. And that's it. I hope that's helpful. If you want to bring light in, see what you're doing, save on money on electricity, and you won't have to do it for many years, probably 8 to 10 years. It's never been cleaned here, so probably go longer, but if you're maintenance conscious, 8 to 10 years is the way to go. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Check out our other ones as well. There's plenty of different applications that we do right across Melbourne, and be happy to give you a quote.